Welcome back to the part 2 of this video tutorial on raising an invoice request for DNB projects that you may be working on with Cushman and Wakefield. So in the earlier video, we raised a request for a project manager approval, which wasn't a formal tax invoice, but just a request to raise that. Once you complete that request, you will land on this page. The link to this page is given in the description below, and you are required to access this from the email ID that you have provided to the Cushman and Wakefield procurement team. Only through that login, you will be able to see those requests which are raised by you or raise any further request. So now in the standard setting, the status will show as request raised, and you will not be able to raise an invoice against this one. But once the project manager approves the request, the screen will change to something like this. Now please note, when the request is approved, it will show with a green background, but the request could get rejected as well. In that case, please coordinate with your project manager to get the request re-raised from your side after making any changes that may be required. So once your request is approved, you are ready to upload an invoice onto the system. So this is a very critical step. So please note with full care what all needs to be done. First thing that you need to do is ensure that you click on here to see the documents that will be required from your side. So once you click on this one, you will see your bill has been approved under which category. If you feel there is any confusion in this one, reach out to your project manager to discuss this and all the documents that will be required to be uploaded along with. Please go through these documents. Else, if you not upload all of these documents, your invoice request will not be processed to the next step. Let's close this out for now. And now how you can upload the invoice actually. So again, look for the link into that row which says upload invoice, and also look at any optional remarks that the PM would have given while approving the invoice. This could contain some critical information for you. Now click on this upload invoice button. This will open up a form where you will require to provide certain information as well as upload the full form. So I'll come down to the reference bill. It starts with the reference bill number. We'll use the same one which we had given the last time for raising the request. The formal tax invoice number. So let's say DV/2022-23//011. What's the tax invoice date? Choose the relevant date of the tax invoice. Tax invoice value excluding of GST. Please make sure that you don't do any errors while typing this out. So let's say it's 100 rupees, including of GST, let's say it's 118. Now on the previous screen, I'll go back and show you, there was this option of clicking here to know all the documents that are required. So before you can proceed with this process, ensure that you are only uploading invoice against a request approved by the PM. So this is an approved request. And you have clicked on the red text which says click here on this screen and have read through all the documents that are required to be uploaded. Once you have done that, you can click I confirm the above, then proceed with the file uploads. So all files shall be uploaded individually and in a not editable PDF format, and all files should be named suitably, like a tax invoice should be named as a tax invoice along with its number. Any other supporting documents like a GST should be named accordingly, so that's easy to identify and helps speeding up your invoice processing. Now all the files that are required which is available to you on this screen can be uploaded into this field itself. So what you have to do is click on the browse files to find the files on your system, or simply drag those files onto this one. I'll click on browse and upload for now. I'm just uploading one dummy file, tax invoice. All the files that you upload will show list up here. If you have uploaded any file by mistake, you can click the cross button next to it to remove it from the list of uploads. Please don't upload anything which is not correct or not required. Then finally, you have to confirm that all the required files are uploaded and they are uploaded individually with the correct names and not as a zip file. So you confirm here and then you're good to submit this copy. Just make sure that you send me a copy of responses. Your email should be populated by default. If it's not, just make sure you type it here. And then before hitting the submit, once you have done that, you can hit submit. It will trigger an email notification to you. Just make sure that you forward that mail to the project manager to confirm that you have uploaded the invoice. That's it for this end We'll show you more in the next videos how you can track your invoice payment. Thank you.